Hi everybody. Today I'm going to tell you a story that begins 360 million years ago, when all the land on the earth were distributed on one and only continent, a large continent called Pangaea. This continent has a very warm and very humid climate, and most of it was covered with large, warm, and shallow lakes. These lakes were full of life, trees as high as 50 meters, lots of other plants, insects, some of them as large as little falcon. And these lakes were ruled by a group of animals that we call amphibians. These amphibians were a strange group and very important group of animals. They live in water, but they can get out of the lakes so they can find some food. But they were strongly dependent on water for their reproduction. Okay. Some little time after the moment the story starts, 300 million years ago, there was global climate change on Earth. The climate became cooler and more arid, more drier. So most of the lakes on the continent disappeared. So do some of these amphibians. But one small group of these amphibians survived because it has an advantage. This advantage is called an amniotic egg. They had eggs which have external layer called amnion that protects the embryo inside from drying. So this group later became an ancestor of all the other groups of land animals we know now, including the birds. So birds appeared much later than the egg. So that's the answer of the of the question, which is the first, the chicken or the egg. Yeah, thank you.